Weather network says minus 25 out. Only thing plugged in actually is my interior car warmer. 99 Mazda Protege. 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder. The keys. Clutch in. Oh, that clutch pedal is so stiff. Beautiful. I'm not going to shut it off right away. I'm going to let it run for a bit. How about a 400 small block Chevy engine in an RV? This thing's been sitting in the driveway since August. Oh, that seat is cold. Oh. Don't have the air keys. Where are they? Ignition key. Frozen. Stone cold dead. Bummer. Well, there's the reason she didn't start. I had the converter turned on to charge. Apparently not the main breaker. Oh. Batteries are almost dead. Let's charge them up. Maybe we'll come back in a couple hours and do that one before it gets too dark out. I'll see if we can't get a boost out of it. Never used this booster pack on the on this engine before. Only ever used it on small engines. Why does winter have to be so cold? Fans are off. Nope, I'm gonna go throw a charger on it instead. Alright, I think my battery itself might have been frozen now. Reading 90%, but she ain't willing to go. Let's try. Oh, no, reading 70, 80%. Yeah, battery's frozen. Dang it. Well, looks like I'm buying a new battery from work soon, too. Yep. She's not going to take a charge. Bummer. And I can't really pull my car up or anywhere to boost it. So it don't look like this thing's gonna start today. Oh well. Alright. That's just like my third attempt. Booster cables from my little car that's running. Oh, to the RV. And now we'll see what happens. I really want this thing to run. Now let's get a light on. Alright. that a couple pumps. Yeah. I don't think she's gonna go. I'm gonna let that run a bit. Maybe it'll put a bit of a charge to the car or to the RV battery. See you in 15-20 minutes. Alright. Got the car locked in at 3100 RPM. Booster cable's going. I think I should have started this thing once a month. Well, I'm figuring about 3 grand to be without the most amps I can get out of that little alternator. 80 amp alternator. Guess we'll see. Maybe if I flip the switch onto the hood, help get a boost off of my house battery. Oh. If I let that sit a little longer. Said car's up at 3 grand. She's all warmed up already though, so ain't hard on her. Focus. Another 10 minutes has gone by. Let's just see. I'm very doubtful. Oh yeah, you can see it loading up my alternator on my car pretty good. Yeah, she ain't gonna go. I'll try this one in the new year when I got a battery from work.